Okay, so here's the system in terms of putting a saved search together for a buyer lead in the Sierra Interactive system. So we're only going to use a few of the features we have in this very powerful tool. I'll quickly go over and highlight each one that we will use. We will use the search name. We will use the how frequently alerts should be sent. We will use the property type tool, the location tool, specifically using zip codes, search criteria tool, specifically price to, bedrooms and bathrooms. And that will really be it. And the reason is all these other tools are great, and it can be a way to target certain properties and very specific properties for clients, but we don't want to limit what or how many properties are being sent to these leads. So we only use a few of the tools we see. So let's go over them. So first off, the search name. Let's say we have a lead named John. He's looking for a home in Milton, Massachusetts. Okay. So he's looking for a home in Milton, Massachusetts. We would put the search name as Milton Home Search. Moving forward, and let's say he's looking to, let's say this guy's looking to buy in the next 1 to 3 months. What we would do here is we would select how frequently alerts should be sent. We would select daily in that case. I mean, even if he was to say, I'm looking this week or this month, we might even want to choose as soon as listings hit the site. So that way, right when a property is listed, the lead will be notified. But in most cases, for 1 to 3 months, I always just post the daily alert, so that way they're getting updated daily on the market they're interested in. If someone's 4 to 6 months out, we would like to use the twice per week option. If someone is 6 to 12 months out, probably weekly is the best. And then if someone's, let's say 12 months, a year or more out, let's select the twice per month. Let's never use the monthly one. That's just too infrequent. So let's use everything above that. And I'll be able to send you a document regarding each of these time frames and what the right option is to choose for each one. So don't think you have to remember it right now. But anyways, he's looking 1 to 3 months. This guy Johnny's looking for a Milton home. Next 1 to 3 months. And what we never want to touch this right here, the listing status. We want to keep that always with active, right? We don't want to be sending him sold properties. We want to send him active properties that are on the market in Milton. Property type, in this case, John would be looking for a single family home, which we always want to select residential for. That's a single family, one family home. If he was looking for a condo, we would then select the condo feature. Ignore this. It just limits the search, so just keep it as condos. And we deal with a lot of investors. If these people are looking for multifamily properties, for example, a 2-family or 3-family, again, don't touch this. It just limits the search, so just select that initial property category. In this case, he's looking for a single family home. Just to go over it again, John's looking for a Milton home. He's looking in the next 1 to 3 months, we want to select daily. He's looking for a 1-family home. Next, what we want to do is we want to input the Milton zip code. Frankly, I don't know it off the top of my head, but it is a 5-digit zip code, so it would be something like this. That's the zip code for Dorchester. Again, I don't know the Milton zip code, but it would look something like that. And then moving forward, you want to go to the search criteria. And what you want to do here is the final steps. There's a lot of information you can edit here, but we just want to make sure we're selecting the right credentials that are going to send him the most properties that are within his search. So what I mean by that, let's say John is looking for that Milton home. He's looking in the next 1 to 3 months. He's looking for a 1-family. Got the Milton zip code there, or we wouldn't in a normal case if I knew the zip code. And then the criteria. So if he's looking for a home up to $500,000, what I want to do here is we want to send him properties that are probably a little above that, because, the list price is, first of all, negotiable. And second of all, it's good to send them properties that they'd be able to afford if they were to go a little above their budget. So we always want to select the max price. We never want to select the minimum price. And the reason for that, we just want to send them the most properties possible that they can purchase and afford. Second, if he was looking for a property with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, this is how it would work. It would look here. 3 plus, 2 plus. So in this case, what would happen is all the properties that are on the market in Milton that are in the price range of up to 550K with 3 beds or more and 2 bathrooms or more, all of those properties would be sent to the lead. And as soon as a property hits the market, he would get that daily update either the same day or the following day with all of this, with all the same credentials and criteria we went over here. So at the end of that, what you would hit is save search. Okay, so you see it here in the e-alerts, and now a save search for this lead. Just to give you and the job's not done yet. The lead has not been set up with this search yet until we hit a certain button, which is right here, send new e-alert, and then it will automate and it will send it to him automatically. But this just gives you a perspective of what the lead is seeing when this gets sent out. So in this case, this would be the only property that came up, but the goal is to send them a list of properties so that they're getting a list of properties every day, every week, or every 2 weeks, whatever they're scheduled for. So after that, what you want to do is make sure you hit that send new alert button. You always have to, the first time you have to select send all matching listings. And then after that, it'll pick up on what you selected for the frequency. As you can see here, and you'll be good to go. And that's how to set up a save search for a buyer lead in the Sierra system.